Some tech gadgets offer simple amusement or distraction from our daily routines, but others can provide a wide array of functionality and improve the world around us, making us more productive, safer, or simply more content with our lives. Today, we'll be taking a look at 9 of the newest gadgets that you can find on Amazon or from other online retailers. Evapolar 2. Having an air conditioner installed in your home or office can be extremely expensive. Even a simple window-mounted air condition can be hundreds or thousands of dollars. However, Evapolar has designed an all-new air conditioner that can be taken anywhere you go and plugged into any standard wall outlet. This is a personal air conditioner that can help to cool your desk, a small office, or a very small room. Setting up the Evapolar is super simple. Just plug it in, add water to the side-mounted reservoir, then press the power button. You can then choose your desired temperature and have cool air at your fingertips at any moment. The only required maintenance involves adding more water every now and then, so it's a very easy system to maintain. When you're done using the air conditioner, just turn it off or unplug it. It will then be ready for use the next day when needed. Beeland Cell Phone Holder. If you've ever felt as though you needed an extra pair of hands throughout the day, the Beeland Cell Phone Holder has you covered. This is an adjustable cell phone holder that can be taken anywhere you go and can be adjusted in an almost endless number of ways. The device is nothing more than an adjustable tube with a phone mount attached to it, though that's really all you need. The tubing attached to the device can be bent or twisted to suit any of your needs, and the universal phone mount can fit virtually any phone on the market. You can use the phone holder in bed to watch your favorite movies, use it on your coffee table to watch videos while eating breakfast, or mount it in your car to offer hands-free GPS assistance. The Beeland cell phone holder can easily adapt to suit any of your needs. LaMetric Time. If you've ever wanted to have an alarm clock that could display various notifications, LaMetric is the device for you. Though this device isn't simply an alarm clock, in fact, it could serve a variety of functions, allowing you to display the information that matters most to you throughout the day. You've likely seen devices similar to this positioned in the background of various YouTube creators' videos. That's because LaMetric can keep track of real-time data, such as subscribers, without ever needing human interference. You can use it to display your bank account balance, your unread emails, Facebook followers, notifications from the internet, and so much more. This device is endlessly customizable and can display virtually anything you may need. You'll no longer need to keep constant check on your phone, as you'll be able to check all your most important information in a completely hands-free manner. LaMetric is your one-stop shop for all your online notification needs. Tap. This product likely looks like something from a sci-fi film, but it is a very real product that can suit various needs for many of your gadgets or tech products. Tap is a new type of input method for your smartphone, tablet, or computer. You could pair this device with all of your favorite tech products so that you can control your device wirelessly without ever having to touch the screen. You could pair Tap to your phone and answer text messages without even looking at the screen. Or pair it to your tablet or gaming device and play video games without the need of a controller or touchscreen controls. You can even use it to remotely control certain types of medical or construction equipment, or interact with your smartwatch. New ways of using Tap are being revealed each day, but this is a universal product that can be paired with nearly any device that offers Bluetooth compatibility. LEVILUNA. This is an incredibly simple product, but it is truly mind-blowing and incredible in every way. This is a lamp that can be used in your home or office, or placed on your bedside table for nighttime reading. The lamp looks just like the moon and can light up the same way as the moon as well. The best part is that the moon can hover above the base without needing to be mounted. It utilizes a sophisticated magnet mechanism so that the moon can receive power wirelessly without ever needing to be recharged or attached to the base. The base plugs in with a standard wall adapter, though it does not emit any excess heat, which is quite important for a lamp. You can turn the light on or off with the simple and quick push of a button, with no need to remove the moon between uses. It can hover for all eternity if you so desire. Ring Drone. Ring is a company that has been deeply involved in home security for many years. They originally offered video doorbells that would capture footage of any potential intruders, though they quickly expanded their reach to include a wireless home security system. Now, they have introduced a new device to their home security lineup, the Ring drone. This device pairs with your in-home security system and will be sent into action anytime your home alarm sounds. The device will fly throughout your home and capture footage of any potential intruders, either scaring them away or documenting their appearance so that it can be turned into police. With Ring, you're always home. No matter where you are in the world, your Ring security system will intelligently monitor your home and allow you to view various areas of your home with the free Ring app. You can arm or disarm your system no matter where you are, so that you'll always be in touch with what matters most. Cubii Pro. Sitting at a desk job all day can have serious health consequences. Stationary sitting can cause back pain, hip pain, knee pain, and various other issues that can travel all throughout your body. However, Cubii aims to solve this problem by creating a stationary treadmill-like product that can be used while you sit. The device slides neatly underneath your desk and can be used while you sit and get your daily work done. You can use the pedals while the device is underneath your desk, helping you to get your daily exercise while remaining in tune with the task at hand. This would even be a great device to use by those of us who easily get anxious or use fidget devices to keep us busy. There's something about Cubii that suits everyone's needs. This would be exceptionally useful for the elderly who need to remain physically active in order to maintain their health. Pocket Shot. The Pocket Shot is an incredible device that changes the way we view and use slingshots or bows. This device can fit into your pocket or other carrying pouch and allows you to carry around a slingshot with ease and without taking up a large amount of space. The rubber pouch on this device makes it super easy to store ammo, yet also provides a safe and effective way to launch projectiles into nearby objects. You can launch BBs, rocks, or even arrows with the Pocket Shot. This device would be incredibly useful for hunting, but could also be used as a home protection device if such a need were to arise. The Pocket Shot can suit all your weaponry needs in a small, compact device. SwitchBot Curtain. SwitchBot is a company that developed a small device that can turn on or off a light switch with a simple press of a button, or a voice control. This device proved to be very popular, and the company has now expanded its usefulness and releases a new form of SwitchBot that can control your curtains. With this small clip-on device, you can open and close your curtains with the simple push of a button, or an Alexa voice command. The device can attach to most modern curtain mounting brackets, and will open or close your curtains without you ever needing to leave your chair. Gone are the days of having to leave a cozy space to shut the curtains, or having to bother your partner to close them as they pass by. Your curtains can be open or closed with ease, making your life just a little bit easier.